name is Olivia.
And I'm Fifi.
I got something in the mail, and it is Between the Bookends.
Early reader box.
Yay! Let's open it. Okay. Do you? Whoa.
Nice to top it.
Oh, this is a beach themed box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, pick one thing up. Ooh, this is a poppet. It's a popsicle and it has mixed colors. How about you think?
I like it.
Okay.
Nice notebook.
This is a mermaid notebook.
Nice.
Whoa!
Empty pages. I can flip it.
Sure. I made a straight pattern.
What's this?
Whoa, these are lip balms in it. I think. And what's this? What is this? Pretty. But how do you put it in? I'm gonna give you a do you know how to put it in? Oh. This is how you put it in. You put it in the hole. You can chain the keychain on my backpack. Ooh. What is this? This is a mermaid tail eraser. This is a mermaid bath bomb.
It still smells so good.
It smells like the ocean.
Smells like sugar. To me.
No, you pick. It's a pen.
Mm-hmm.
There's a unicorn on it. Look. So, I don't think. Ooh, there's a bomb. This is so soft. Okay, that's your side. What? What is this? This looks like everything is mermaid. Yeah, it looks like a mermaid eating up, chomped one bite of the popsicle. Okay. Ooh.
These look good.
They're cute.
There are 3 of them.
One.
This is a pufferfish. A squishy kind of.
2 and then a 3 one. These are really cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a whale, like a pufferfish. And there's a purple dolphin. I'm gonna pick it up. A book. Oh my gosh. There's a book that's called Daisy Dreamer, a Daisy at the Beach. There's pictures like these. This. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna say something. I have seen this in one of the books. Oh my gosh. And there was something inside. There's another one of this. There's another one of this. Okay.
Oh, look at the back.
The back has another one. Let's see. What does it stop at? There's 2 books in one. This is the other book. So there's this and there's this. Oh, Mermaid Tales, Trouble at Trinity Academy. And then Mermaid Tales, Battle of the Best Friend.
It's so cool.
What is this?
Sand?
It's homemade soap. A mermaid tape. Wanna see?
Cool.
I think it's the last thing. And Riley has this. Our friend Riley has this. A sticker book that she has. It's a game book, so you can do a lot of games inside. And there's stickers too. This is one as I saw. And you start here to go to the castle. So here, 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 here. I already
It's
know.
a maze.
It's a maze. Mermaids. There's another one that you can do the crown. Dot to dot. So, ooh, there's this. So you make over her with her. It's cool. What's your favorite?
This. And no, not this. This.
Just 3 things.
Yeah, I don't think that one of them.
There's one more.
Yeah. These,
Why?
because they're cute and I really like them.
Okay.
What's your favorite?
My favorite are the books because I like books, but what's this? Okay, this is with no pictures and this is with pictures. And they both have words. What's your next favorite?
I'll say the poppet.
These have letters. They make cool sounds. And then, okay, so they make. Let me try to do it faster.
What's your next favorite?
My next favorite is the lip balm, the bath bomb. What's your next favorite?
The pen, because I like drawing. What's your next favorite?
My next favorite is this because it's cool. Lip balm holder and the lip balms. I'm gonna hang it on my backpack. I hope you enjoy our unboxing. Bye.
Bye.